How are you, my beloved child? I have been waiting for you because the time to change your poverty, your struggles, and your destiny is now only 24 hours away. Listen, I give you my word before God. Listen to this entire video until the very end. Do not leave, skip, or close it halfway through. Otherwise, you may miss the billions of blessings that today's date has brought into your life. Because today, August 11th, is a day of new beginnings, a day when God pours out His new mercies upon those who listen with their hearts and believe. That is why, first, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write Amen in the comments so that the door of blessings may open fully for you. Now listen carefully, because what I am about to tell you can turn your destiny directly toward progress and success. My beloved child, you may not realize how quickly the universe hears your words, your thoughts, and your energy. But today, yes, today, on this special day of August 11th, the doors of heaven are open for you. Today, one prayer, one desire, one small cry from your heart can move the universe. Because this is not just a date, it is a sign that God is opening the first page of a new beginning in your life. All the nights you spent crying, all the times you felt alone, and all the moments when you thought your destiny was against you. Today, that same destiny is beginning to turn in your favor. Today, blessings carrying your name have risen from heaven. The prayer you may have made months ago with a broken heart is beginning to receive an answer. The universe is listening to you, and when the universe listens, it does not delay. It sends miracles directly. Today, doors of financial opportunity are about to open in your home. An opportunity is about to come into your hands that many people may spend years longing for. The first day of this new season has brought the first victory of your destiny. And remember, for those who listen to this message with their whole heart today, something may begin changing within the next 24 hours that is greater than anything they imagined. My beloved child, always remember this: God's timing is never wrong. Whatever darkness came into your life, whatever obstacles appeared, and whatever pain you experienced, it was not meant to destroy you. It was meant to make you stronger. Yes, sometimes you may have felt completely alone. You may have felt that nobody listened to you, nobody understood you, and nobody could hear the cries behind your struggles. But, child, every sigh, every prayer, and every hope you carried reached heaven. Even during those nights when everything seemed to be falling apart, you did not give up hope. You prayed even when you had no support. You held yourself together even when the world seemed to leave you broken. And do you know what? God never sends a heart like yours away empty-handed. Today, August 11th, is an answer to all the efforts you have been making for many months. Today, you will begin receiving what you have been quietly working and praying for. The wheel of your destiny is not going to turn slowly anymore. It is about to begin moving forward with great speed. Today, you may notice 3 signs. The first sign, you may suddenly remember an old dream that you abandoned along the way. That dream may be coming alive again. The second sign, you may feel a new energy rising within you. A pull, a voice inside saying, "Now is the time." The third sign, you may suddenly experience a deep sense of peace around you, as if even the air is smiling in your direction. These signs can remind you to remain attentive to God's presence and guidance. My child, remember, God may seem slow, but He is never unjust. And today, that season of waiting is beginning to change. In the days ahead, you may encounter an opportunity that helps you move beyond poverty and struggle toward a better life. Sweetness will return to your relationships. Progress will come into your work. Peace will enter your home, and a new light will fill your heart. Whatever obstacles, pain, and struggles you have faced, beginning today, you can start moving forward from them, step by step. Because when God steps in, destiny bows. And today, that step has already been taken in your life. My beloved child, You may not even realize how long your destiny has been waiting for you. Yes, even destiny waits for you to become ready, to awaken, and to take the right step. And today, on August 11th, you have taken that step. You know, God can completely change a person's story in a single night. He is the same God who can turn ashes into something beautiful and raise the strongest person from a broken heart. And today, child, your heart, your mind, and your soul are all calling for the blessing that God has chosen for you. Perhaps you were worried and asking, why has everything stopped in my life? Why does my money keep getting stuck? Why do my dreams remain unfinished? Why does even an opportunity that comes into my hand slip away? My child, it was because the right time had not yet come. Your story was not finished. Your struggle had not yet reached the season where its fruit could appear. But now, listen carefully. The time you have been waiting for, perhaps for months or even years, has arrived. From today, your energy is changing. From today, your direction is changing. From today, your prayers can begin producing results. From today, a new chapter is opening for you, and you will begin to notice things around you becoming better. Where there was once an obstacle, you will begin looking for a path. Where there was once anxiety, you can begin finding peace. Where there was once emptiness, you can begin creating room for blessing. Because, child, God prepares you before giving you what you are not yet ready to carry. And now you are ready, in your mind, in your heart, and in your spirit. Today, let go of the mindset of poverty and make room for a new light of hope, growth, and abundance. Even people who once overlooked you may begin offering their support. An opportunity you had given up on may appear at your door, and an important opportunity may come into your hands. One that, with wisdom, hard work, and faith, could greatly improve your life in the months ahead. Child, remember, when God decides to bless someone, He can provide opportunities far greater than they expected. And that opportunity may be knocking gently at your door today. My beloved child, you may be surprised to know that your hope for financial blessing was never truly gone. It may simply have been delayed, like a river held behind a dam. Sometimes things remain still until the right moment comes. And when that moment arrives, everything can begin moving forward. Today can be that new beginning in your life. Today, imagine 3 powerful blessings being placed before you. The first blessing, new financial opportunities. You may discover possibilities in places where you never expected them. A new job, a new project, a valuable connection, or a door you never imagined could open may appear. The second blessing, unexpected progress. The work you have been struggling with for months, the goal that repeatedly discouraged you, and the dream that once felt too difficult may begin moving forward. That dream can come closer as you take consistent steps toward it. The third blessing, new strength within your heart. Child, when God's blessing begins working in your life, one of the first things that can change is your mindset. You may suddenly feel a new confidence within yourself, as though your heart is telling you, do not be afraid. Do not stop. Your destination is closer than you think. And child, this is not something to take lightly. Let it be a reminder that your new chapter has begun, a chapter where you can leave scarcity behind and make room for growth and abundance. Today, where you once had to think carefully even about spending a small amount, you can begin working toward greater financial stability. Where no one helped you before, you may find people willing to support you. Where failure once seemed to follow you, you can begin creating opportunities for success through faith, discipline, and action. Child, this is the moment when your mindset can change. The night of sorrow can give way to a morning of hope and blessing. And listen carefully. From today, you can work toward creating multiple income opportunities. You can recognize new possibilities. You can take advantage of new opportunities. You can build a future where your hands are not empty and where your financial life is no longer controlled by fear. Let your faith give you courage, but let your wisdom guide your decisions. Child, This can be the kind of transformation that takes you from survival toward stability, from debt toward progress, and from struggle toward success. But it will require faith, patience, learning, and consistent action. My beloved child, when God opens a door of opportunity, no one can take away the strength He gives you to walk through it. And today, on this meaningful August 11th, remember that your past does not have to determine your future. Child, you have lived through days when there was little money but many responsibilities. You have experienced nights when your heart was crying, yet you had to wear a smile because you had no choice. You have endured seasons when your hard work was great, but the results were small. But your story is not over.